who are entering our state.
Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council kaladon hapdeng gejing halor gejing bamla jangka ban siu Tulop Labuan Bnai kabala penlong yakinong trei jangka ban yakhi. Chief Executive Member jangka KHASI Albinosh Marang bad sembut CEM Nikman CH Marang. Henne kasngi kala penlong ya gejing yalang bad ka NGEA ban yakren halor gani gejing Hadian jang gejing yalang ka council kala mencur ban siu Tulop na ka benta sau Bnai na ka song pisa kabala yok pediang na ka sorgar jela bat na ka pisa bala yok lum khajna. Hakawai pat kalyang kinong trei ki bala yakhi ken sapen bana yakarai baken sashim hadian kecing penbet jangka council bat kila penpau bandang Bteng ya kecing yakhi jangki.
Trying our best. We are clearing the salaries, and we had a discussion with the state government also this time, and they have agreed to release our pending royalty shares. It will cover about 4 months of their salaries. Now, we had a discussion and we had come to the conclusion with the state government that the salary of the staff will be paid by the state government in advance, and they will be adjusted the royalty share which has been collected by the state government. Royalty share we are getting from major minerals, that is coal, and then minor minerals, that is stone, then the transport.
Usembut CEM jangka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council